Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate PandaDoc for proposal status updates, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate PandaDoc for proposal status updates, begin by logging into your PandaDoc account. Navigate to the settings section in the left-hand menu. Select integrations from the options available. Locate the API section within the integrations menu. Click on Generate API Key to create a new key. A pop-up window will appear with your newly generated API key. Copy this API key and store it securely for future use. Next, access your proposal management or CRM system. In the settings of your CRM, find the section for integrating third-party applications. Look for the PandaDoc integration option. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Save the changes in your CRM system. To ensure the integration is working, send a test proposal using PandaDoc. Monitor the proposal status updates in your CRM. If the status updates appear correctly, the authentication was successful. In case of issues, revisit the API key generation process. Verify that the key is correctly pasted without any trailing spaces. If problems persist, consult the PandaDoc support documentation. This will provide troubleshooting steps specific to your integration needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.